Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Vivo Y11d, which is locked. Let's unlock this phone with the hard reset. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone. To power off the phone, press the power and volume up keys, then select power off. When the phone is completely off, then press the power and volume up keys simultaneously until the phone gets into the fast boot mode. Then you use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select recovery menu and then wait for the phone to get into the recovery menu. This will take a few seconds. Now inside the recovery menu, tap on clear data, then clear all data, and then tap on OK. This will completely erase all the data from your phone. You guys have to wait for a few seconds for the process to be completed here. When the process completes, tap on return, tap on back, then here select restart and then tap on OK. After the restart, the phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. When the phone finally turns on, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again, while the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.